Welcome to the project demonstration of touchscreen based temperature monitoring and controlling system. So here we are using touchscreen to set the temperature set points, and whenever the live temperature is cross the threshold value which we set from the touchscreen, then the DC motor will rotate and the DC fan will rotate, and so that simultaneously the temperature will be decreased. So here we are using a 4-wire resistive touch screen which is interfaced at A0 pin of our PIC16F72 microcontroller. So whenever we touch on the touch screen, based on the resistance variance, the microcontroller will get the variable voltage. So for example, if we touch here, so without any touching, it will get the 0 volts. If we touch here, the voltage will be increased. So in this manner. So then the microcontroller will we program the microcontroller with some conditions. Whenever we touch here, so the condition for the touching position will be the voltage formation. Then the microcontroller will control the output modules like buzzer and LCD display. So when we touch here, the set point for the live temperature will be increased and decreased. So whenever the microcontroller read the temperature from the LM35, there's a live temperature using LM35. So when it is over the set point, then the buzzer will be on and the so-called status will be displayed on the 16:2 LCD screen, and the motor will get switched on through this transistor board. So here also the transistor presents 2 on the buzzer and transistor presents 2 on this DC fan. So coming to the connections, so we have interface A0 for touch screen, B2 to B7 for the LCD screen, A1 for LM35 and C3 for the buzzer, as well as C4 for the DC fan. So here coming to this motherboard, so this is the reset switch. So in order to restart the microcontroller, and next crystal oscillator which will provide the 20 megahertz crystal oscillating frequency to the microcontroller in order to execute the instructions we coded in embedded C language. So let us see the demonstration. So this adapter will take the 230 volts input and provide us the 5 volts output, which is the main sufficient voltage for the PIC microcontroller. Right. So then there will be a welcome message on the LCD screen, and as of now the live temperature is 23 and the set temperature is 45 degrees centigrade. And let us see the temperature increment. So we are making use of one soldering iron to increase the temperature. Right. So whenever we actually default when we switch on the kit, the set temperature is for 45 degrees centigrade, and the live temperature is crosses the 45 set point, then automatically the DC fan got switched on and also buzzer indicated along with LED indication. And now let us set the temperature for higher or lower. So by touching on the particular specific position, so we can see so just in order to intimate to the user about the touching position and execution of the touch screen operation, so we indicated that through the buzzer. And now let us increase the temperature. And now let us set the temperature for lower. So let us go with the very lower one. So when I am decreasing the set point, then automatically the live temperature is above the set point, as we have already heated up the LM35. So now let us increase that. right. Okay, so in this manner we can set the set temperature in order to secure the industrial devices or home devices. That can be done from the touch screen, as well as the system can cool the using the cool the solar system through the DC fan. Right. Thank you.